Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unblock contact or phone number in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on your phone, then contact, then click on someone, scroll down, tap on block seller, then block contact, then back, tap on settings, then scroll down, okay, tap on search bar, then search on phone, okay, tap on cancel and click on apps, then scroll down, tap on phone option, then scroll down, click on blockade contacts, just click. There's this person is blocked, this number, just click, scroll down, then back, tap on edit, then minus, then unblock. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.